Printer warranty, understanding your coverage. Title: Printer warranty, understanding your coverage. Introduction. Printers have become an essential tool in our daily lives, whether it be for personal or professional use. Like any electronic device, printers are prone to malfunctions or breakdowns. This is where a printer warranty comes into play. Understanding your printer warranty and its coverage is crucial in ensuring that you receive the necessary support and protection for your investment. In this article, we will delve into the different aspects of printer warranties, explaining their importance and offering insights on how to make the most of your coverage. Section 1. What is a printer warranty? A printer warranty is a contract between the manufacturer or seller and the buyer, which guarantees the repair or replacement of a printer if it malfunctions within a specified period. Section 2. Types of printer warranties. 1. Manufacturer's warranty. The majority of printers come with a manufacturer's warranty that is included in the purchase price. These warranties typically cover a predetermined period, which can range from a few months to several years. Manufacturer warranties generally offer comprehensive coverage for both parts and labor, ensuring that any issues arising from internal defects will be rectified at no additional cost to the buyer. 2. Extended warranty. Some printer manufacturers or authorized resellers offer the option to purchase an extended warranty. This type of warranty extends the coverage beyond the standard manufacturer's warranty period. Extended warranties provide additional peace of mind to customers, knowing that they are protected against unexpected printer failures for an extended duration. However, it is important to carefully evaluate the cost versus benefit of an extended warranty, as they can be an additional expense. Section 3. Understanding warranty limitations. 1. Exclusions and limitations. It is essential to thoroughly read and understand the terms and conditions of your printer warranty. Often, warranties have specific exclusions and limitations, such as damage resulting from misuse, neglect, or accidents. Printer warranties may also become void if the device has been tampered with or repaired by unauthorized personnel. Familiarizing yourself with these exclusions will prevent any unexpected surprises when seeking warranty support. 2. Proof of purchase. To initiate a warranty claim, proof of purchase, such as a receipt or invoice, is typically required. It is crucial to keep all relevant documentation in a safe place to ensure a smooth and hassle-free claim process. Without proper proof of purchase, you may risk being denied warranty coverage. Section 4. How to make the most of your warranty. 1. Registering your printer. Many manufacturers offer the option to register your printer upon purchase. Registering your device is often a simple online process that allows you to establish ownership and activate your warranty. By registering, you ensure that your printer is tied to your name in the manufacturer's database and that you can access warranty support if necessary. 2. Technical support. Printer warranties often include access to technical support services. If you encounter an issue with your printer, Reach out to the manufacturer's support team for guidance. They may be able to resolve the problem without needing to initiate a warranty claim. Technical support can provide valuable troubleshooting assistance, ensuring that minor issues are quickly addressed. Authorized service centers have the expertise and access to genuine parts required to maintain the warranty coverage. Utilizing unauthorized repair services may void your warranty, leaving you responsible for any repair costs. 4. Documenting issues. If you experience recurring issues with your printer during the warranty period, document the problems, including dates and details of each occurrence. This documentation can serve as evidence if you need to escalate your warranty claim or request a replacement printer. Section 5. Common misconceptions about printer warranties. 1. A printer warranty covers everything. It is important to understand that printer warranties typically have limitations and exclusions. While they cover defects in materials and workmanship, they may not cover damage caused by accident or misuse. It is essential to read the terms and conditions of your warranty to fully understand what is covered and what is not. 2. I can repair my printer myself and still have warranty coverage. Attempting to repair your printer yourself or taking it to an unauthorized repair center may void your warranty. It is crucial to utilize authorized service centers or seek technical support from the manufacturer to ensure that your printer is repaired while maintaining warranty coverage. 3. An extended warranty is always worth it. While an extended warranty can provide additional protection, it is important to evaluate the cost versus benefit. Consider factors such as the purchase price of the printer, the likelihood of experiencing issues, and the duration of the extended warranty. Sometimes, the cost of the extended warranty may outweigh the potential savings from repairs. 4. Warranty claims will be processed quickly. While manufacturers strive to process warranty claims in a timely manner, it is important to understand that the process may take time. Factors such as availability of parts, service center capacity, and demand for repairs can impact the timeline. It is best to have realistic expectations and be patient when waiting for a warranty claim to be resolved. Section 6. Additional tips for printer maintenance.